want you to guess where we are. I know it's going to be hard for you to imagine. This is actually the La Vida. 3 months ago, we first unveiled the stunning La Vida project. In that time, the developers have been hard at work to deliver on their promises to create an unmatchable community of gorgeous homes and a breathtaking landscape. Now on the verge of completion, the vision is quickly becoming a reality as the La Vida is fast selling out. With the remaining units now rising in value, more and more people are now placing bids to be part of it. With the cost of materials, the price of $1, and even the demand of this amazing new development increasing steadily, it is no surprise that owning a brand new home here comes with a brand new price tag. The La Vida is still welcoming new members with open arms, and to still be a part of this community, you can own a 4-bedroom terrace and 1 BQ for 165 million naira, a 4-bedroom semi-detached house and 1 BQ for 185 million naira. If you are worried that you can't pay all at once, you can make a 40% initial deposit and spread the payments within the completion date. For more inquiries, please contact the number on your screen, visit us on our website, and follow us on Instagram. My name is Sharon from Our Taiwan. Thank you for watching.